Well, hello, good people. Mark Holmes here, and as always, I want to say thank you all for watching, commenting, subscribing, and being part of the Joe Boo Sports Report, as well as Joe Boo's day job and cooking and tailgating with Joe Boo. We're all over the place. Um, this is hard to admit, but we've had a problem in the bedroom, and yeah, a big problem. And so, my wife told me she wanted something and she needed something because it's just not working. And being a man who loves his wife, I do everything that I can to make sure I satisfy her needs. So, truth in advertising here, let's get on with it. So, my wife, my beautiful bride right here, said there's not enough storage space in the room. We have a historic house. We ended up taking what used to be a walkway and we made that a closet. Okay, that used to be a passage through here. We've gone through and we have a tiny closet right here. And my wife is about the most organized person that you'll ever meet. And it's great because we got those little storage cubbies and things in there. You see, this is me. This is it. That's all I get. That's all I get. The rest of that, that's her. I do have three boxes, and I do have one drawer here. So she let me know, honey, I need a solution. And so here's what we did. Now, this is the biggest waste in bedroom space. Box springs. Forget about box springs, okay? Box springs, it's basically a wood frame that the mattress sits on. There's no springs in it. It's just a box springs. And so you're seeing more, especially young people. They end up doing the platform bed. My daughter has a platform bed that's on the floor. The Japanese ones that are real low. Okay, when you're old like me, you don't want a bed that low. Okay? So, we got a new mattress. It's 13 inches tall. And so I built this platform bed. Now, originally, I built this headboard years ago. And the floating nightstands that are over here. So they all coordinate. You see the molding and everything matches up. But we had just a regular bed frame here and a box springs. So what I did is I actually built out of maple, it's painted, this platform bed. So you'll see there's no box springs. Instead of having box springs, we're satisfying our wife because we have, look at this, oversized. Look at that. She wants it big, and real deep. They're 11 inches deep, 36 by 24. 36, 24, 11 deep. And it's not just one. We have these all around. So there's 4 of these storage drawers. And we put heavy duty slides on here that hold up to 150 pounds. Okay, now, you creepers, don't be hiding in the drawer. Your husband comes home early, you better not hide in the drawer. Although you'd fit. And you better not be over 150 pounds because they're only rated for 150 pounds. But this is a great storage solution. You can see we got actually my suitcases in here, my shoes and stuff. My wife, being the organized person that she is, she actually has baskets and stuff in there. So that way you have, if you have cold medicine or cream or whatever, you've got space for that stuff. And here's what we did. Instead of putting handles on here that you'll probably hit your ankle and stuff or back of your heel when you get out of bed, what I did was I put a finger pull. I took a cove cut and put it here. So if you're laying in the bed, you can reach down and open it up with your thumb. And so this is a perfect solution when you don't have a lot of space. Get rid of the box springs, get rid of the box springs, and build a platform bed. Or call me, I'll build you a platform bed. In fact, it's crazy is I actually built 3 of these. So I've got 2 more of these for our guest room and for my daughter's room. I just have to make the drawers to go into it. But this is a game changer. A game changer in your bedroom. Wouldn't you say so, baby? Isn't this exactly what you wanted?
Exactly.
Exactly. She said, go big, go deep, and she wants lots of it. I'm Mark Holmes, and here's how you satisfy your woman in the bedroom. I was waiting until she got it, okay? Yeah.